I think prison does exactly what it says on the tin. And I think if you commit a crime and it's, you know, that you've got to go to prison, you go to prison. My personal opinion is prison, no matter whether you have a flat screen television in your cell or no matter what you have in there, you're taken away from the people that you love and your freedom is taken away from you. That is what prison is. A lot of people, I'm sure, in Dublin and in other cities around the world would love to see us breaking rocks and, you know, doing whatever it
working at the chain gang,
exactly. Hard kind of labour and that. And if that's what you know, demean what punishment is, well, fair enough. I think it's your freedom is taken away from you. You're conditioned. You're told when to eat. When you eat, your door is shut at 7:30 in the evening. You'll get people that'll call it a holiday camp. I mean, I know I say in a play that I'm doing you know, I don't know any holiday camps where you get locked up at 7:30 in the evening, or any holiday camps where you've got to, you know, take a poo in front of somebody, you know, that's a stranger, or any holiday camp where you only get to see the people that you love for a half an hour a week. And I mean, if they're the type of holidays that you're going on, I think you need to reevaluate and go somewhere else, like, you know. So prison does do what it says on the tin, but I firmly believe that anybody that is gonna go to prison for the first time, who's never been in trouble before, who's gonna have a criminal record, who's gonna go for a job and people see you've got a criminal record, the job is not, you know, open to you anymore, especially semi-state jobs or government jobs. I think there needs to be another avenue to bring these people down, to avoid, especially if it's come here, if it's something really serious, I get it, you've got to go to prison. But I mean, if it's something misdemeanor like shoplifting or trespassing or tax and insurance on your car or something like that, we need to have another avenue to take them down. And I don't think prison is the way to do it. The tagging system, which is in England, which is very, very effective, is not here.